long switch, flashing LEDs, let go, one switch again, and there you have it, the first temperature setting. I can hear the buzzing and heating up. We have a cordless rechargeable soldering iron here from Temu. It's got its own built-in battery. You don't need to connect it to the cable, to the USB cable in order to use it. I think you shouldn't, in fact. It could damage the battery, and the USB cable should only be used for recharging. Let's see what is in the box. It's a neat little box. This is a little bit modified. I indented a place here in order for the soldering tip to fit. It was closed there. And the resin was here, so I just placed the resin here with the USB cable, so I don't need to remove the tip every time to store the soldering iron. Let's see what's further in the box. Here's a little stand. Okay, it's spring loaded. There we go. Okay, soldering iron can fit on there. We have some soldering wire, and of course the USB cable that is now next to the rosin to store the soldering iron's tip in the position where the rosin was. Okay, so let's see. It should be fully charged. Now the trickiest part of the soldering iron is to switch it on. And then quickly again. Okay, now it's on, and it's on the lowest power setting. I'm not exactly sure what I did. I think it was a long press and then just a shorter long press. Okay, I can smell it's heating up. Let's see if we can remove some component from the PC board. Maybe this little capacitor here. I think it needs some time to heat up still, but as you can see, the soldering is melting. Now it's going quite faster. Okay, the capacitor is moving. Okay, it's going. Okay, one leg is out. And another one. There we go. So I think this is quite strong for basic electronics on the lowest or the lowest heating setting. There's some buzzing here. And to increase the temperature, you just press the top button. And okay, now it seems to be off now that I pressed the lower button. And there's really some smelling going on here, typically of a soldering iron. So you just leave it there to cool down. So as you can see, it's quite a powerful little thing. It does the job for basic electronics, and who knows, on the higher temperature setting might be able to do thicker wiring. And there you can see is the USB input for charging only. I don't think you can use it with the USB cable. And there, that little LED light, I'm not sure if it turned green after charging, but it started off red if I remember correctly. Okay, now I'll just let it cool down, and then I can just store it with the tip still attached, because I made a little indent there to fit, for the tip to fit together with the soldering iron in the container. Thanks for watching.